There are 4 main WH question words in English: who, what, when, where. Use them to ask for information, not just yes or no answers. Who, used to ask about a person. For examples: who is your brother? Who is your sister? Who is your friend? Who is your boss? Who called you? Who sent this? Who broke the glass? Who is outside? Who bought this? Who knows the answer? What, used to ask about objects, ideas, or actions. For examples: what is that? What is this? What happened? What do you want? What do you need? What is it? What did he say? What did she make? What do you know? What is there? When, used to ask about time or dates. For examples: when is lunch? When do you sleep? When is the meeting? When do you work? When can I call? When do we leave? When did she leave? When is your class? When will he come? When did they arrive? Where, used to ask about location. For examples: where is my bag? Where is your phone? Where are they? Where is the key? Where is the bus? Where do you work? Where is my book? Where did he go? Where is the shop? Where can I sit? Subscribe to Speak Up English for more English lessons, grammar tips, and practical speaking exercises. There are 4 main WH question words in English: who, what, when, where. Use them to ask for information, not just yes or no answers. In English, WH questions allow us to gather specific information rather than just a yes or no answer. They are called WH questions because they typically begin with words containing the letters W and H. Understanding the function of each word is the key to using them correctly in conversation or teaching.